Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I will be making a cocktail for you, right? So today's cocktail is a black barrel old fashioned, right? We're gonna use some black barrel Jameson to make it, right? There are so many variations of old fashions like that it's kind of hard to go get a regular old fashioned nowadays, right? Everyone has their own take or their own riff of an old fashioned with different alcohols, which is cool, you know, because it's still pretty much simple. Very simple cocktail to make no matter what version you try. But we're going to try something different, right? Even though this one doesn't use any sweetener, right? But you do use the liqueur, this Bénédictine. So maybe that is supposed to act as a sweetener because normally in the old fashioned you would have simple syrups or whatever, something to, or sugar cubes, in order to give it a little sweet treat, right? Anyway, let's get started. First, we're going to go with 2 ounces of our Jameson Black Barrel. Which, in theory, right, this is in, charred, you use charred barrels, so you kind of get that essence of a bourbon. But with Irish whiskey. So next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of our Bénédictine liqueur. Next, we're going to go with 2 dashes of our aromatic bitters. 2 dashes. That was a big dash. Anyway. Last, we're going to go with 2 dashes of an orange bitter. 1, 2. Add a little ice. Give it a little easy stir. Got our rocks glass. Give it a strain. There you have it, a black barrel old fashioned. Cheers. Again, this is a sweetener, right? This is a solid variation of an old fashioned. If you're an Irish whiskey person versus a bourbon person, I mean, this is a good go-to for you. And it's not a bad old fashioned. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.